People think farming is slow and peaceful, but trust me, this is madness with feathers. From sunrise squawks to midnight eggs, welcome to the unpredictable, chaotic, and surprisingly hilarious world of my life as a chicken farmer. So let me take you behind the feathers, and believe me not, it is not what you expect. They say farm life is peaceful, but here, it is an excellent kind of chaos. Welcome to my world, where feathers fly, alarms scream at 5 a.m., and every day is a battle between me and about 50 hungry birds that need to be fed. Every morning starts like this, not with a coffee machine, but with a rooster auditioning for the voice. Look at them, they don't even say good morning. What they do is they scream it in surround sound. Now it is feeding time. This is the part where I risk my life, metaphorically speaking, just to pour some grains. If you ever wondered what being chased by 50 tiny dinosaurs feels like, this is it. Come, let me show you. So it is the cleanup time, what we call the poop patrol, okay? Yes, the glamorous life of a chicken farmer is about the poop patrol, because it really is around me. And in this side of the farming, they don't show you on TikTok, because what they show you is the good side of it. But now with us, we just have to clean first. We clean where they play, we clean where they walk, we clean everything, so including cleaning these feeders. I told you that Corobe Poultry Farm is a